Hank, you got the hiccups?
5:45.
What?
5:45 is my game.
Oh, Hank has the hiccups. Say hi, Mommy.
Oh.
Oh, lots of love, Hank. Get rid of those hiccups. Whoa.